Hola, ¿qué tal? Amigos, vamos a repasar los adjetivos posesivos. We're going to review the possessive adjectives. Remember, they show possession. And so let's look at this chart here so we can understand how and when we use this. So remember, me is my, when you're going to stress that something singular is yours. Mis is my, but when you're stressing that more than one thing or things are yours. Tu means your, and it's going to be one item that is yours. And tus means yours or your, but it's going to be more than one item that is yours. Su means his or her, and it's going to be one thing that is his or hers. Or it could be you formal, okay? Someone older. Sus can mean also his or her, or someone older, but now it's that person has, there's a few things that are, it's his or hers or someone older. Okay, so here, even though they look similar, okay, here we're still talking about one thing that happens to be this person's, quite a few things that happen to be this person's. Okay, so we're still dealing with singular. Okay, these people still possess, they're still singular items, people, but it's either one thing that they have, that I have in this case, my something, mi carro, for example, my car. Here, it's still a singular person, it's just what belongs to them is plural. Okay? What belongs to this person is plural. Okay. Now if we look on this side, nuestro means our, and nuestro, for it's one thing that's ours. Okay. And it's a masculine noun because it ends in an O. Nuestros means our, but it's more than one thing that is ours. And those objects can be all masculine, or it could be masculine and female together, the nouns. Here, nuestra means our, but the noun is feminine. Okay, nuestra bicicleta, for example. Nuestras means our, and then the noun are feminine nouns, like nuestras enchiladas, for example. Su on this side is going to be referring to their. It's their something. They possess one thing. Es su carro de ellos, for example. It's their car. Sus can mean their or your, formal, plural, and it just happens to be more than one thing belongs to them. So if we look at this next slide here, let's write sentences using these here. Mi means my, so mi libro es verde. Mi libro es verde. My book is green. Mis libros son verdes. Now I'm saying my, but it's more than one thing that belongs to me that is my books. So I have to say mis libros. Tu amigo es alto. Tu amigo es alto. Your friend is tall. Tus amigos son altos. Your friends are tall. Tus amigos son altos. Su, his or her, or you formal, singular. Su casa es bonita. His or her, or someone older. Su casa es bonita. Okay. Sus casas son bonitas. It could be his, her, someone older. Where it's sus because it's the amount of things that they have is plural. Sus casas son bonitas. Nuestro means our. It's going to be a masculine noun here. Nuestro carro es, let's pick a color, anaranjado. It's orange. Nuestro carro es anaranjado. Nuestra. It's going to be our, but it's got to be a feminine noun. Nuestra casa es rosada. Nuestra casa es rosada. Our house is pink. Nuestros is our, but it has an S, so it's got to be more than one thing that is ours, or more than one things. Nuestros amigos son simpáticos. Nuestros amigos son simpáticos. Our friends are friendly. Nuestras amigas son de California. Nuestras amigas son de California. Our friends, they happen to be girls, are from California. Son de California. Su. Now we're dealing with more in the subject pronouns that are plural, like their or you, plural formal. Su clase es grande. Okay. Their class is big. Su clase es grande. We can say su clase de ellos es grande. The class of theirs, right? Their class is big. Sus clases son, we can say sus clases de ustedes son buenas. Right? The classes of you, plural, formal, are good. Sus clases de ustedes son buenas. Okay? So here's some sentences of how we use the adjetivos posesivos to show possession. You can go back and see the forms, and nos vemos después. We'll see you later. Adiós.